Essentially, pronunciation is manipulating airflow through your mouth by using your vocal cords, your tongue, your jaw, and your lips. So, whenever we have students who have pronunciation problems, we can deal with it in a very concrete way. There are some sounds in English that Chinese learners aren't familiar with because they don't use them in Mandarin. For example, you might have noticed some of your students saying "wa" instead of "va." So maybe when they're trying to say very, they end up saying "wary." This is because the "v" sound doesn't exist in Chinese. Fortunately for us, most English consonants come in pairs. So "v" is actually the exact same mouth formation as "f." The only differences are vocal cords. So if you put your hand right here and you'd say "f," you might notice there's no vibrations. And then when we say "v," our tongue, teeth, lips, and jaw are all in the exact same position, and the only difference is here. So this is one way we can draw our students' attention on how to make the "v" sound, is simply by showing them with our mouth and then showing them with our hand, and they should be able to produce this sound. Another strategy we can use is something called minimal pairs. This is where we take words with the "v" sound and find equal words with the problem sound, which is "wa," and we can compare those side by side. So for example, I've prepared a few here. So you can see very, wary, vow, wow. So the way we use this activity in class, we can say, all right, now listen to me. Which word am I saying? Am I saying the black word or the red word? Very, wow, wary, vow. You get students to answer each time. And then, of course, you hand it over to the students, where they will then say the words. And this helps them to actually hear the difference in the sound, and hopefully they can identify maybe they're saying "wa" when they're trying to say "v." So, these are two strategies we can use whenever our students are having problems pronouncing non-familiar sounds in English. Try them out in your lessons today and see how they work.